National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Henry County until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. At 8:27 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain in western Henry County. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bassett, Stanleytown, Fieldale, Sandville, Oak Level and Collinsville. This includes the following streams and drainages: Blackberry Creek, Muddy Creek, Smith River, Grassy Fork, Coger Creek, Jordan Creek, Reed Creek, Bull Run, Horse Pasture Creek and Beaver Creek.